Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. The title of this video is 20 minutes Forex analysis. 20 minutes Forex analysis. Let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. I do not want to waste your time, okay? We are looking at the pound-dollar currency pair on the weekly chart. I want traders to pay attention carefully here. This is about the Forex analysis, looking at the pound-dollar currency pair, the British pound against the US dollar. The level trader must pay attention to now is this level here, 161. 161. Here it is, the green line here. This is what we call a cycle point. All right. So a cycle point is the point at which there is equilibrium where the price. You see the price started to go down here. It went down and returned back to the starting point. That starting point, that's what we call a cycle point. This green line here is a cycle point. So there was a bearish trend that has started here, went all the way here, and the price returned back to the starting point. This is a cycle point. Again, you can see as the price went back to this level, the price acknowledged the cycle point, and again we see another move from here, right here. Price went up again, all the way up here, and today, as you can see, the price returned back again to the cycle point. All right, it makes sense. It's also powerful. So do not forget the cycle point at 161.61 for the pound-dollar currency pair. Now, in order to achieve a consistent winning trade or to make excellent foreign exchange trading decision or currency trading decision or FX trading decision, one must always combine the technical analysis with the fundamental analysis. What's happening to the British pound, ladies and gentlemen? I want to show you something very important. If you trade Forex, pay attention, all right? Pay attention carefully. On the 18th of September 2014, all right, there will be a referendum in Scotland, all right, in the north part of United Kingdom, in Scotland. They will decide whether they want to become independent, okay, which means they will be separated from the United Kingdom. They don't want to be part of the United Kingdom anymore, okay, or the British pound zone, if you accept that, okay, if you can say that, the British pound zone, we are talking about Wales, the Northern Ireland, we are talking about England and Scotland, all right? So if Scotland decided to, okay, divorce, so to speak, from the United Kingdom, we will see, okay, more devaluation of the British pound. So because of this discussion taking place right now in Scotland, and the vote will take place on the 18th of September 2014. As a Forex trader, you want to know that date down and pay attention carefully. All right? So if Scotland decided to become independent, we will see more devaluation of the British pound, which means this currency pair, the pound-dollar currency pair, will continue to go down. As you can see, the market is always ahead of the event, so to speak. So they will start selling the British pound anyhow, though it's oversold. They are selling it. Now we reach a very important price level, 161.61. Note it down, okay? It's a cycle point. Now, two things can happen here, all right? Because we try to go into the mind of traders that were selling the pound dollar to this point. So the 18th of September is next Thursday. So just 7 days more, okay, 7 days. We have, so these bearish traders will be very careful because they don't want to give back their profit. So the expectation that Scotland will vote yes for their independence. So that's why people decided to start selling the pound like the crazy traders, all right? But suppose on Thursday, on the 18th of September 2014, they vote no, which means they decided to stay, okay, as a member of the United Kingdom. What will happen? the pound, in fact, will gap up big time. All right, it will gap up big time. So going into the mind of the bearish trader that was selling the pound like this, because the date is approaching, so you need to be, you can take advantage of it, either you are day trading or swing trading. Doesn't mean go and buy and sell anyhow. This video is not a trading signal, very important, all right? Use your trading system and apply the trading drill without ignoring the economy news, okay? Very important. So as the date is approaching, these bearish traders, some of them will decide to come out of the bearish trade because they don't know for sure whether the Scotland will vote yes or no. All right? Right now, the forecast is 50-50, which means that, okay, they are running neck and neck right now. The people who want to vote no and the people who want to vote yes, okay, they are running out neck and neck, all right? So no one knows, anything is possible. They can vote yes to become independent, or they can vote no to stay, okay, as a member of the United Kingdom. So as the date is approaching, all right, the bearish traders that were selling the pound, some of them will start to close their trade. We see those activity today. If I go now to the hourly chart, you can see that some of them start coming out. All right, but you need to be very careful if you are buying this currency pair because the market sentiment is bearish towards the pound right now. Okay, if the market sentiment is bearish, don't fight it. Okay, don't fight it. Okay, so right now anything is possible. So as the date is approaching, some of the bearish traders will decide to come out of the trade. If that is taking place, we'll see a little bit of a bounce. The pound may start going up a bit, all right, until the date. But something we can be sure of something is that as we are approaching, okay, especially around the 16th and the 17th of September, 2 days before the referendum on the 18th, if the pound continue to go down, we are likely to see a little bit of move to the upside as some of the, okay, conservative bearish traders decided to take profit to avoid, okay, losing or giving back their profit. All right. Another thing I need to mention to traders here is that the level of 161.61 is a cycle point. If they vote again, if on the 18th of September 2014, Scotland vote yes to become independent, there is a high chance that the price will gap down big time. The level we need to watch if it gap down is the small median line at 155.36. We want to see whether the price will find support at 155.36. Note it down. If the vote yes, the pound will continue to go down, but there is this key support level, here at 155.36. If the market stays very, very bearish, the pound may go down all the way to 151.79. That remains to be seen. I doubt it. I doubt it that the pound will come all the way to 151.79. But note it down, by the way. Why 151.79? The title of this video is 20-minute Forex analysis, and I want to stick to the time that we keep everything under 20 minutes. Why this level of 151.79? Why? Have a look. You see here, there was a cycle point, yes or no? So the price started to move here, all the way up here. And then, so the movement was from the green line all the way to the highest point here. So if it did below the pink, the green line here, if it did below the green line, we will project this distance to the downside, right here, bringing us to the level of 151.79. That's why I'm saying to you that if Scotland votes yes for independence on the 18th of September 2014, the pound will continue to go down big time. But there is a support here, which is the small median line at 155.36. If that level fell, the next support level is the ultimate greedy target at 151.79. I doubt that the pound will touch the level of 151.79. Note those key level down and trade like a pro. All right. So whenever we see a cycle point like this, you can draw a line. You can measure the height of the cycle point. So what you can do like this. You can draw a line like this. Okay. From the cycle line to the lower point. Okay. You see the price went down here. Okay. And then you draw another line like this. It's kind of a triangle. You understand? So from the cycle point, see here, it went down and returned back here. So we can measure the height of this triangle right here, okay? As the price goes above the cycle point and start going up, we can project that height to the other side. That will be our ultimate target price. As you can see, the price, if I adjust my line carefully to the green line exactly here, the pound was trying to hit the target here. Okay, the previous target was at 173.64. It couldn't hit it because the market became very, very conservative. It couldn't hit it. That's why I'm saying to you now, the level we need to watch, if the bearish momentum is very, very strong, and the level of 155.36 fell to give support to the pound, in case, repeat, in case Scotland vote yes for independence, if the level of 155.36 fell, we are likely to hit the level of 151.79, which is the ultimate greediest, okay, bearish target. So if Scotland votes yes, and we have more bearish data for the UK economy, the pound will continue to go down, okay. The greediest target is 151.79, all right? It makes sense? It is also powerful. All right, let's check the time. It makes sense? Okay, so we are not using technical analysis alone. We are analyzing the market environment. There will be a referendum on the 18th of September. Okay, this is why the fundamental traders are selling the pound anyhow. It's just sell, 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 sell. All right. But I also mentioned to traders that the market at this point in time is distorted. Because why? The British pound, okay, supposed to be bullish, and the dollar supposed to be bearish at this point in time. As I explained to you in a video that I called, okay, my take, okay, on the Forex market. I explained to you that in the video that we call my take on the Forex market. And I also recorded another video that I will refer traders back to how to improve Forex trading. Check that at George Trio channel, okay? Check George Trio channel on YouTube. Google it, go George Trio channel on YouTube, and check the video that I recorded recently, how to improve Forex trading. And the second video is my take on Forex, okay, market. And you understand what we are talking about here. So at this point in time, all right, the market wants to sell the pound because of the referendum that is coming on the 18th of September. So if they vote yes, the pound is likely to continue to go down, but we must watch the level of 155.36. If the level of 155.36 has failed, we must, okay, there's a high chance it may go to the 151.79, but I doubt that it will continue to go all the way to 151.79. Now, the second part, if they vote no, the pound is likely to go up big time, okay? It will gap up, in fact, all right? If they vote yes, all right, the pound will gap up big time. It will run away. If the pound gap up from here, ladies and gentlemen, what we need to do is to draw Fibonacci retracement tool right here and use the Fibonacci key levels on this chart you see here. So it went down from here all the way here. Okay, you want to watch the key levels, the Fibonacci key level, okay? The 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, all right? the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. This level will become very, very essential for traders to monitor carefully, all right? So if I draw my Fibonacci retracement tool like this, like I draw it now, okay, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level is in the zone of 16503. Okay, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is in the zone of 16647. You remember that I'm saying in the zone, not exact level, in the zone of 16647. And the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level is at 16777. And the 78% Fibonacci retracement level is at 16964. If they vote yes, we need to monitor those key levels as the price is going up. Let me check my time because the title of this video is 20-minute Forex analysis. All right. So now there are two things that can happen for traders that understand Elliott wave. If I'm going to go down to the daily chart and I want traders to pay attention to the green line. Okay, let's go to the green line. Okay. If they vote yes for independence, okay, Scotland vote yes for independence, we know that the price is likely to go down. What usually takes place as a cycle point, the price will from the cycle point, the price will go fast wave like this. All right, the price, all right. You see now it came down and went up a bit like this. Okay, it may continue like this to go up a bit here. You see where I am on the daily chart? Okay, so you see come to the cycle point, start going up like this. And now, for now, okay? Now, if they vote yes for independence, if the price is going up before they vote yes, the price will come down like this, big time, pew, like this, okay? We'll count that as a first wave. But because this video is not about Elliott wave, that's all I can say to traders at this point in time. Very often, the first Elliott wave will start also from a cycle point. Following our normal guidelines, we know that the first Elliott wave is the wave that break out of the consolidation zone. Yes or no? Go to 24elliottwave.com, www.24elliottwave.com. I also explained to traders recently, okay, in a video that we call dollar-yen Forex analysis, okay. I explained to traders, also at Jotrio channel, that very often, the first Elliott wave will start from a cycle point. So you need to remember that. All right? But as I'm talking to you like this, the pound is going down instead of going up because why? The dollar yen, okay, the dollar yen is going up. Why the dollar yen is going up? Because of outflow of money out of, okay, the British pound zone and the euro zone into the dollar, okay? The money managers, okay, transfer their flow, okay, from the British pound zone, so to speak, or from the United Kingdom into the dollar, from the sterling into the dollar, and also from the euro into the dollar. That's why this currency pair is going up big time. But I will record a video that I call the last lap of the dollar yen because on the yearly chart, the dollar yen is in the last lap. This is about, 20 minutes Forex analysis. Do not forget the level of 16161. That's the equilibrium price level for the pound dollar. Do not forget the date of 18 of September 2014, the referendum date for the Scotland, which will decide, okay, the destiny of the British pound and also the destiny of the pound dollar or any currency pair that contains the British pound. This is the 20-minute Forex analysis. I hope you have learned something from the video also, and we put into use, okay, to make excellent trading decision. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon. Coming soon, the dollar yen in the last lap.